in North Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania with PA elevators. And he found an original Kaestner and Hecht gated elevator. Single slide outside door, open it out. Westinghouse, Kaestner and Hecht. It's the second one of these I've ridden today.
Put in a new floor.
There you go. It smells old in here. I can get it or not?
Yeah, I'll come.
Okay. Cool.
It's just bad.
Yeah. Rear fixtures. Let's go to 4. And this thing's epic and quiet. All the other ones I've ridden of these is rather loud. Look at that. 4. Whoa.
That didn't happen earlier.
Certificate or phone box, something, Jared. Basic old cab. Let's go back down to 1. This is a Westinghouse Kaestner and Hecht from around the late 20s. This is a beauty. I think the motor's a little louder going down. That's weird. Perfect. Oh, that's heavy.
Now you can watch me go up. Shut the door.
Yeah. That's gonna be it. After he goes up.